Good morning, students. Let's continue the next topic, that is Islamic architecture. The advent of the Turks, Afghans, and Mughals in India led to the evolution of a distinct Indo-Islamic style of architecture. Certain distinct architectural features of this style were the dome, true arcs, minarets, mosaics, floral and geometric motifs, calligraphy, and use of different types of stones with different colors. A dome is an architectural structure that has a round roof with a circular base. The dome made a structure look tall and grand. Large open halls could be constructed which did away with the need to support the roof with a large number of pillars. Alai Darwaza in the Qutub complex in Delhi is the finest example of the Islamic architecture. The mosque of this period displayed a fusion of indigenous and newly introduced architectural style. The major characteristics of a design used in mosque are a lofty gate, tall, slender minarets and domes. A large number of tombs were built during the medieval period. The general pattern of the tomb comprises a domed chamber known as hujra and cenotaph in its center with a mihrab, where the real grave was located in an underground chamber. Humayun's tomb in Delhi is one of the finest examples of tomb architecture. The Mughal tombs were generally placed at the center of a huge garden complex, which were subdivided into square compartments called charbagh. The Mughals also built large gardens at various levels and terraces on the charbagh pattern. Some examples of formal gardens built by the Mughals are the Nishat Bagh in Kashmir and the Shalimar Bagh at Lahore. Forts were walled structures that served as the residence of the emperor and other members of the royal family as well as military strongholds of the empire. Akbar built a palace cum fort complex at Fatehpur Sikri near Agra and Shah Jahan undertook construction on a large scale. Agra Fort stands as one of the best examples of the architectural monument of the period, where many structures were built deriving influence from Bengali and Gujarati styles. A private mansion with historical and architectural significance is known as Haveli. The word Haveli is derived from the Persian word Havels, which means an enclosed space. The Havels sought inspiration from Persian, Central Asian, Indian, and Islamic styles of architecture. So, to conclude this, Islamic architecture is main feature of the Islamic architecture is a dome, mosque, tombs, gardens, forts, and havelis. Thank you and have a nice day.